The baby was lying on her back. The bluebird flew through in the window. The bluebird has blue eyes. It sat on the baby's crib. The bird has the bell around its neck. The bell rang. The baby smiled. The baby smiled. The baby reached the bell. The bird shook its head. The bird shook its head. The bell fell off the bird's neck. The baby picked up the bell. The baby rang the bell. Another bluebird flew through in the window. This bluebird has also blue eyes. The baby looked at the birds. The birds looked at the baby. The baby rang the bell again. Both birds flew away. The baby started to cry. Her mama came into the room. The baby smiled. Mama saw the bell. She asked the baby. Where the bell came from. The baby pointed at the window.